Good morning, boys and girls, teachers and staff, and welcome to Thursday, May 16th of 2019. Morning announcements for today. Hooray! We finally have a birthday. After many days, finally another birthday around the bend, and today's birthday goes to Devin Herman. So happy birthday, Devin. I hope you have a great day today. And for our lunch choices today, we have spaghetti with meat sauce, chicken patty sandwich, and fun on the run. And our Paws are brought to you by our kindergarten students today. They did a marvelous job with their Paws.
All right, time for Paws, and today we have some kindergarten students here who are going to tell you some things about how you can make sure you can earn your Paws by not doing these things.
Don't run in the classroom and hit your teacher.
Okay, we'll come back to you.
Don't climb up the slide.
Okay?
Don't run in the classroom or don't push.
Those are great suggestions. Thank you, guys.
Thank you very much, guys. I appreciate that. And at this time, let's please take a moment of silence. Thank you. Please stand for our Pledge of Allegiance.
All right, boys and girls, it's time for our Pledge of Allegiance, so please make sure you're standing. Have your hand over your heart. I pledge
Allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you very much, guys. Everyone have a great day today. Remember, choices are yours, so you decide on what kind of day you're going to make. So based on your choices, so let's make some good choices today.